The system of binomial nomenclature was given by. Answer is Carolus Linnaeus. Next question is the tissue that is found below the skin and stores fat is. Answer is adipose tissue. Next question, statistical study of population is called. Answer is demography. Where do you think the sebaceous glands are found in human body? Answer is skin. Next question is the stage in cell division that consists of G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase is. Answer is interphase. Next question is the beta cell in the pancreas secrete insulin. What do alpha cells secrete? Answer is glucagon. Peptic cell in the gastric gland secrete. Answer is pepsinogen. Next question is Plasmodium requires 2 hosts to complete its life cycle. In which host does the gamete production take place? Answer is in human. Next question is the substance to be added to the blood sample drawn from the patient for analysis of blood corpuscles and plasma is. Answer is heparin. Emphysema is a chronic disease that affects the. Answer is lungs. Next question is two genetically different organisms show similar adaptation due to. Answer is convergent evolution. Next question, the placenta has endocrine function and produces several hormones. Which hormone is produced in the later phase of pregnancy? Answer is relaxin. Excessive production of testosterone before the age of 10 leads to a condition called. Answer is precocious puberty. Next question is a boy was diagnosed with soft bones puberty development. It is due to the deficiency of. Answer is vitamin D. Next question is evolutionary history of an organism is known as. Answer is phylogeny. Pneumatic bones are found in which class? Answer is Avis class. Next question, ascorbic acid is also known as. Answer is vitamin C. Next question is name the vitamin formed from carotene which is a vegetable pigment. Answer is vitamin A. Dermatitis, diarrhea and dementia are symptoms of the deficiency of. Answer is vitamin B3. Next question is the circular muscle found at the junction of stomach and duodenum is. Answer is pyrolic sphincter. Next question is the system which fails in a person with AIDS is. Answer is defense system. Which is the vascular connection that exists between digestive tract and liver? Answer is hepatic portal system. Next question is reptiles have a 3-chambered heart except for. Answer is crocodiles. Next question is Darwin's finches in the Galapagos Island is an example of. Answer is adaptive radiation. Which genes are involved in turning off or on the transcription of a set of genes? Answer is regularity genes. Next question, what should be the most important property of a genetic material? Answer is must have the ability to replicate. Next question, which biodegradable plastic is produced by Methylobacterium? Answer is polyhydroxybutyrate. Increase in quantum yield of photosynthesis when light of two different wavelengths are provided together. This effect is known as. Answer is immersion effect. Next question, which pair of scientists proved the semi-conservative mode of DNA replication? Answer is Michelson and Stahl. Next question, which of the following ecological pyramid is always upright? Answer is pyramid of energy. Jute and silk are which type of fibers? Answer is natural fibers. Next question, which is a source of morphine and codeine? Answer is poppy. Next question is which is responsible for making the stem woody in dicot plants? Answer is open vascular bundle. Cry3A gene in coding protein controls. Answer is Colorado potato beetle. Next question, the extract of which plant leaf is believed to increase the blood platelet count during dengue fever? Answer papaya. Next question, The pollen of Parthenium plant is notorious to cause which problems? Answer is severe respiratory problems. Which is the first stable compound to be produced after nitrogen fixation? Answer is ammonia. Next question. During which stage of mitosis the spindle fibers are formed? Answer is metaphase. Next question. Prothallus is an independent gametophyte seen in. Answer is pteridophytes. Oxidative enzymes in fresh fruits and vegetables use oxygen too. Answer is metabolize. Next question. Which scientist proposed omnis cellulae cellula? Answer is Virchow. Next question. In which stage of meiosis do chromosomes appear to have 4 strands? Answer is Pecketin. Which plant has been used for the synthesis or hirudin using biotechnology? Answer is Brassica napus. Next question is, which hormone is used to control apical dominance? Answer is auxin. Next question, what is the total number of male gametes seen in 100 pollen grains? Answer is 200. Golden rice is genetically modified to produce beta carotene to solve the problem of. Answer is blindness and premature death. Next question is, which cell of the female gametophyte acts as the endosperm mother cell? Answer is central cell. Next question is, which one of the nitrogen base is present in DNA but not in RNA? Answer is thymine.